and salami pizza with double yogurt topping.
Hello, welcome back once again to Kirk Kooks, and it is once again Pizza Wednesday. And we are once again cooking a pizza from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The toppings on this one: butter, salami, and yogurt.
Get it swing around. So I'm ready for this topping. Let's have salami. Pop some salami on this. Smell how nice. Not good. If that's a piece of onto this, I'll just put this salami. So that's good. I'm putting it on now. Put the cheese on, and put the layer on the cheese. Just stir it down to the entire drizzle if you can. Just got a bit of vanilla, you know, when you stretch everything, I'll put the pizza in it. So that's a bit of mozzarella. And then that's a bit of yogurt. That. Now we do.
It's just made a horrible, greasy, buttery mess.
Butter and salami pizza with double yogurt topping. Michelangelo doesn't know what he's missing.
It's not actually that bad. It just tastes like an incredibly greasy pepperoni pizza, to be honest. You can barely taste the yogurt.